If you've got poor credit and need short-term financial help, I've been there. This video is about my personal experience with Cashfloat, what actually mattered, and what you should know before considering any loan. No hype, just facts. Context: when I was an adult dealing with bad credit, traditional banks wouldn't even look at me. Missed payments in the past meant automatic rejection. I needed a short-term solution, not a long lecture. That's how I came across Cashfloat. This is not advice for everyone, loans are for adults only, but here's what I learned. Why Cashfloat stood out. What made Cashfloat different was a magic approval. It was transparency. They focus more on affordability than just your credit score. That matters when your credit history isn't perfect, but your current income is stable. Another key point: clear repayment dates. No hidden fees in the small print. You know upfront what you owe and when. For someone with poor credit, clarity is everything. Who it actually works for. From my experience, Cashfloat works best if you need a short-term loan, not long-term debt. You have some income coming in. You can realistically repay on time. This is not free money. It's a temporary tool. The biggest mistake to avoid, here's the honest part. The worst mistake is borrowing without a repayment plan. Poor credit doesn't mean poor thinking, but desperation can lead to bad decisions. I only used it because I knew exactly how I'd repay it. If you don't, it's better to pause. Alternatives I considered before choosing Cashfloat: I also looked at borrowing smaller amounts, budget adjustments, delaying the expense. Sometimes the best loan is no loan. So, is Cashfloat the best loan for poor credit? For me, as an adult with limited options, it was one of the more straightforward and honest short-term lenders, but only when used carefully. Always read the terms, borrow responsibly, and never take a loan you can't repay. If this helped, make informed choices. Your future credit depends on it.